go.
All right. Oh, what is it? Where is it?
This one. Okay, we can throw it away from this side.
Wait, it's just like bad wear, huh?
Tasha, all I can see is your ass and Koga's.
Wait.
Oh, that smells so bad.
No, but
Lock up down.
no, but it's like
Yeah, do you want me to scoop it out?
I don't know. Really bad though.
Oh my god, what the?
You're supposed to show it. You're supposed to show it. Oh, that's it. It's in my mouth. It's disgusting.
Look at this extra.
I don't smell it.
Tio! I need to put it down!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I have to get this clean. Oh shit. Shit, it smells so bad. Oh my god, it smells so bad.
I'm crying because it smells that bad. I want to sing!
That is so disgusting. That is so disgusting.
I don't think I can bring it over there. Go, Koga.
Wait, don't clean it yet, don't clean it yet, don't clean it. No! Where did it go? It's in there. Yeah, it doesn't look bad though anymore. It's fucking green and black and white. See it? Can you guys see it?
Oh god. Sorry, Dad. I forgot to clean it.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Is that it?
That's it.
Alright,
Work
we'll
is done.
This is the person who forgot to clean it.
Sorry,
You
Daddy.
have to eat it.
I'm sorry. I can't. I'm not even breathing through my nose. So all this sip is going into my mask because I can't breathe.
Pyrex is like forever contaminated.
I know, you should just throw it away.
What?
Your Pyrex.
You help clean. Oh, stop.
Oh well.
Start capture.